Hi guys! So today I wanted to talk to you about this painting. I did a painting with a lot of layered colors from my last pour. So I used copper, burnt sienna, that's the nickel azo gold that you're gonna see in there. I used turquoise and blue and my satin enamel white. And then I used this. This is Molten Metallic Studio Finishes by Benjamin Moore. I saw this paint on the shelf when I was in there. I could not resist. There was a little card that had the finished results and they were shiny. I mean, just super, super shiny, like patent leather shoes with almost like this little crackle in it. So I couldn't resist and I bought some. I should have known as soon as I opened up the can, it was extremely fumy. There was incredible fumes coming off of it, and I kept going because I'm hard-headed. I opened up all the windows and I put a fan and I thought, oh, this is kind of, a really stinky paint. But I really wanted to see what kind of results I was going to get with it because, I'm pretty used to using just art paints like golden fluids and golden acrylics and deco arts and the Winsor & Newton. Those are all pretty much my top favorite brands. And I use Artist Loft for the white a lot and black. You see me there adding some of my delicious golden fluid gold, which is my favorite gold, and that's my nickel azo gold, which I also love. So I really don't know much about the house paints or paintings, paint to finish furniture or anything like that. So this is definitely a challenge for me to try something different, but I'm always up for some sort of a challenge. So I layer my cup and then I decide to do a pour. I think this is like a 12 by 14 canvas, 11 by 14 or 12 by 14. So I wanted to show you, when you're doing a pour like this, as you move your wrist and you move your hand with the cup, you're going to get different results. So as you pull up and away from the canvas, the paint actually comes out very fast and the patterns will be extremely intricate and detailed. The closer the cup is to the canvas, the slower the paint comes out and you get more softer, fuller, and bigger details. So that's just like, I know it's hard to see from an overhead view the distance between the canvas, but I wanted to kind of point that out to you guys. So this toxic black molten metallics, I decided to add a little bit more, and oh my gosh, the smell. I keep adding in all the way around because I felt like I didn't put very much in the actual cup and I wasn't getting very many results. And all I can say is, please wear a ventilator for your own safety. That paint is unbelievable. And then I looked on the front and it says toxic fumes, wear toxic vapors. And then after I had done the painting, I looked up the VOCs and they're ridiculous. It's like 393 VOC. So it's not a safe paint to be painting without a mask. And I will never, ever, ever not use a mask again. I'm an extremely sensitive person. So I didn't feel good for a lot of the rest of this day, unfortunately. So please, I beg you to please take care of your health. Whether you're sensitive or not, this is a really, really intense fume on this paint. So now, having said that, the results of this of that black paint is pretty cool. Now I didn't like the copper and the brown. I just felt like I was getting kind of like an earth thing going on, which is not really what I wanted. So I did a quick little just traveling ring pour with some gold, white, and blue. I just wanted to elevate the colors of the painting. I just didn't want to get stuck with that whole look of you know, we're on the shore. Well, except for look, it looks like waves. I actually kind of love that. I want to take a picture. So I just took a picture. Sometimes I'll take a picture if I love those green cells. And sometimes I'll take a picture if I see something I like and I'm about to go in there and do something else that may ruin the painting. And I'm like, oh, I just want to have a picture to kind of memorialize the moment before I mess it up. That's the truth. I just want to memorialize it before I potentially mess it up. So one thing I really wanted with this painting was a softer look, because it's a very intense, you know, sort of reptilian, spacey sort of painting, and I really thought I kind of want some femininity in the composition, and that's why I brought the balloon rolls. I'm not trying to make a flower here. I just wanted some soft, round edges, because what's happening with that black paint, it's just eating it up. Like, you can see the black parts are just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And with the balloon rolls, I noticed no matter how much paint I was taking off, and the black just kept going. I mean, it just kept eating up the paint, and to get some of the more brilliant colors in there, I had to add some more blues and add some more whites. Because remember that whole pour over the top? I did a whole traveling ring pour up there, and it's almost completely gone. And that's that black paint. It just repels the other paint. I haven't looked, but I wonder if it's an oil-based paint, and my paints are water-based acrylics. So we could be talking about, you know, the fight between oil and water here on this canvas, and that's partially why I got all these crazy results. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like this painting. I really wasn't sure, but I thought I'm gonna just see how it dries, because sometimes things can dry a little different. I want to take a second and say thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you feel called, please contribute to my channel. It helps me continue doing these lovely experiments for you and making these art videos for you. It's very time consuming, and I appreciate all the donations that I get to keep my channel going. If you see a painting that you like, that also helps support my channel. If you see a painting you would love to have, let me know, and it might be still for sale. I do sell a lot of my paintings, but I would be happy to talk about that, or even a commission. I've been actually thinking about maybe doing Patreon, and I just providing some more detailed lessons, and finding a way to actually earn more of a living doing this kind of thing. So I don't know, let me know your thoughts about Patreon or Skillshare. I'm curious as to what you guys think about that. So this painting, first of all, I want to show you my favorite part, and that is those cells. Look at that. Oh gosh. That was worth saving to me. And here's the dried results. Look how bright the green dried. Really shimmery. Look at it. It's just like a green electric current running through there. And then look how interesting the painting dried. That shine that you see up there, that paint is dried. It is so shiny. It is like I said, like patent leather. And that painting is dried and it looks like that. I would love to see it under resin, and I'm seriously considering it. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.